Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, stop this video right now and go and subscribe to my channel. Welcome guys, I have another video for you today. This one is really special to me because I waited so long for this and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. This is an unboxing video of my new and first ever MacBook Pro, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. The specifications of the MacBook: it's an M2 13-inch MacBook Pro in the space gray color, 512 SSD, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this for a while, and special thanks to my parents. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for this. I really love it and I appreciate it. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So you guys are not really going to be seeing me in the video because I decided to just focus on unboxing the MacBook and setting it up, customizing it. So I decided to do this video because you're not gonna see me the rest of the video until maybe the end. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go.
A few moments later.
guys really enjoyed this unboxing video, because I did, and I watched so many while waiting for mine to come, and I was happy to finally do my own unboxing video. And this is actually my first ever unboxing video, so yeah, let's just say I have a lot to learn about this MacBook, because I am a complete newbie. Like, even with the videos that I watched, I still forgot some things, because I'm like, what am I doing? I don't know the controls, I don't know how to use this thing. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating a bit. I mean, I know stuff, but then yeah, I have a lot to learn, so hope you guys will stick with me for the journey. This is my laptop now, so I have to learn how to use it, because I'm going to be using it for a lot of things. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Check this out. Oh my god, I am so excited. Goodness. Whew. You know I'm all about the cute stuff. Like, the way I'm going to customize this thing, forget it. Forget it. This lighting is so beautiful. I just love how warm it is, and this is my new filming spot. Like, what? What? Oh my goodness, you guys, this background. Whew. This is a discovery right here. Damn. Look at that. Ah! I find. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I'm going to post this BTS at the end of the video.